In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Rocket Money customer support for fast help. If you're experiencing issues or have questions about Rocket Money, getting in touch with their customer support can be crucial. So let me guide you through the simple steps to reach out and get the assistance you need without any hassle. First things first, open your preferred web browser on your device. Once you're ready, navigate to the Rocket Money Help Center by typing in this URL, help.rocketmoney.com. This is the official support page where you'll find various resources and avenues to contact customer support. Once you're on the Help Center page, you'll want to keep an eye out for the chat bubble icon. It's conveniently located in the bottom right corner of the page. This chat feature is one of the fastest ways to connect directly with a member of the Rocket Money support team. Simply click on the chat bubble and a chat window will open up ready for you to get started. Now that you have the chat window open, you'll need to provide a bit of information to get the most effective assistance. Begin by typing in your email address, which helps the support team identify your account and communicate with you effectively. After that, clearly describe the issue you're experiencing or the question you have. Common topics include billing, login difficulties, or refund inquiries. The more clearly and specifically you describe your issue, the easier it will be for the support team to assist you promptly. However, if you find that the chat option isn't available or it's outside of support hours, don't worry. There's another way to reach out, via email. For general help, you can send an email to support.rocketmoney.com. If your concern is related to bill negotiation, send your email to negotiations@rocketmoney.com. Make sure to include all relevant details in your email, such as any account information and a detailed description of your issue, to facilitate a fast and efficient response from the team. Once you've reached out, whether it's through chat or email, be patient and await a reply. Rocket Money's customer support team is usually quite prompt and they strive to respond within a short period during their support hours. Make sure to keep an eye on your email inbox, as any further communication or solutions to your problem will be sent there. So that's it. Reaching out to Rocket Money customer support is straightforward and designed to get you the help you need efficiently. Whether through their chat feature or email options, you'll be in good hands with their friendly and helpful support team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you resolve any issues you might be encountering with Rocket Money.